So this is a super quick and easy way to get a fresh cabin filter in your car if you're getting a bit of a weird smell. So I think this thing only cost me about $28. The Bosch ones are currently on clearance at super cheap at the moment. Whereas at Subaru, they were going to charge me about $150 to do it if I asked for it to go on the service. Because this thing's still in warranty, so it has to be serviced through Subaru. But the cabin filter, I was like, stuff that, I'm not spending $180. Every one that I've replaced has been up in the glove box somewhere. We just got to figure out how to get this to drop down. That tab there, that tab there, and that pops out. And that there is where your cabin filter sits. Just be able to slide that straight on out. Look, it is pretty dusty. It's not the worst I've seen. I did my old Subaru. That thing had 300,000 Ks on it, or close to it. I think it had about 270 when I changed it, and it looked like it had also never been changed. Oh my God, what the f? That's what we've been breathing in. So this is the cabin filter we're chucking into this one. Obviously this one's got the color to it, and this is just a standard white one, but once we head back outside, I'll actually give that a little hit on the ground. You can see all the stuff fall out of it because it's all up in the channels there. And whatever mess and junk you've got in your glove box, chuck it back in, and that is done.